What's up, guys? So we're out here, we got you aboard the 6-inch Alien running EMU flights 3.4. Let's see what it's all about. Everyone keeps telling me to give it a try, so why not put it on there and give it a run? I can't deny it. It's definitely fucking something there with the tuning on this thing. Presets are pretty sick. Motors nowhere near as hot. One end back to D down a couple notches. Turn the eye up just a couple notches. So I guess it might take away from the preset, but it's still, the tune stays there. It doesn't kind of go off onto something else. So that's good to see. Good that you can go off of what is there and whatever your setup might be. So you might have to change something. But Baduga, I gotta give you credit. You got me into trying it, and I can't deny it because this is a 6-inch, right? And you're gonna have bounce back and shit with a 6-inch when you first go with a configurator. You kind of get it where you want it. I kind of got built so much I kind of can just like and get it dialed in. But I feel like this for the average user, and I'm probably a little far behind. But my people that I work with now, I just may have to start showing them a little bit of EMU now. So hey, always down to learn something, and I did today. Thank you for watching.